Yo, it's Lux and welcome to the announcement video of the 2019 Winter Scavenger Hunt event. On Friday, the 20th of December, we're going to be running a short winter event for you, where you can log in onto a server and take part. You will have a chance to win $10 Server.pro account balance, so you can purchase a server with it. But there's not going to be just one winner, there are going to be three. The top 3 people will win $10 on their Server.pro account. To take part, log in into the server during the event with the IP in the description. And once you're on the server, try and find as many presents as you can. The top 3 people with the most presents collected at the end will win. Now, this server is going to be running on Minecraft version 1.15, so make sure you connect with the right version. The server is going to be in online mode, so only people with a paid Minecraft account will be able to join. The event will last 2 hours and is going to take place from 2 PM GMT to 4 PM GMT. In a US Central Time, that is 9 AM CT to 11 AM CT. I'll leave a link in the description where you can convert your time zone to see when it starts and ends for you. We'll be contacting the winners on Twitter, so make sure you have a Twitter account and follow us. I'll leave a link to the Twitter page in the description as well. As a side note, we also do smaller giveaways on Twitter, so keep an eye out for those. Apart from that, I hope you enjoy the event. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays.